I want to give you a little idea of size perspective. I am 6'2", 260 pounds. And I wanted to let you guys see exactly what's getting our troops and equipment around the world wherever goodness needs to triumph over evil. So I want you guys to back up. Just keep on backing up. And I want you to take a look at this beautiful behemoth behind me, the C5 Super Galaxy. Like I said, that thing is big. Duty, honor, and country. These are three of the things that our men and women in uniform take with them everywhere they go around the world to defend the cause of freedom. They use the C-17A, just like this one, that's stationed at Steward Air Force Base in Newburgh, New York, to fulfill that goal. The C-17A, bringing freedom around the globe. United States Marine Corps.
Hoorah!
First into battle.
There you go.
Dude, they're parking in my spot. It's upside down. It's not just the men and women in uniform that are veterans, but sometimes our aircraft are too. This Bell served with the 101st Ranger Division while serving in Iraq in Desert Storm.
Yeah, I'm with the A-10. I got the A-10 all the way. What is that? Oh, this is big. This is a big boy. Keep an eye on that A-10. Oh, a fortress. We got a fortress. Well, that's a nice, easy little land. Is it coming in to land?
Ladies and gentlemen, on the approach right now, the A-10.
Hello everyone, this is Michael Vass and I am with you today at the Steward Air Force Base getting ready for the New York Air Show, and it's going to be some exciting news here. Folks, we have the A-10 Warthog with us. That's right, it's come down. There are F-16s. We're going to be covering all of that, and I want you to understand something that I've really thought about. This is a moment of America. This is an expression of America. When we're spending money on defense, and you hear that some people say we've got to cut defense, they're talking about taking away this vehicle, this airplane that has saved so many lives in Iraq and throughout the Middle East and across the world. So don't worry, folks. We need to have one of these. We need to keep these and keep our soldiers safe, and that's why we're talking about it here. At the New York Air Show. I thank you for your coverage, for joining us,